To divide two rational expressions, I can multiply by the reciprocal of the second rational expression. So I can rewrite this as 5y divided by y squared plus 5y plus 4 times 2y plus 8 divided by 20. So let me point out a couple things to be careful here. We can't cancel 5y up top and 5y in the denominator, again, because this is not a factor. The 5y in the denominator is not a factor, so do not cancel that. And we can see that it's not a factor because it's added to other things in that denominator. But what I can do to try to simplify this, I can try to find common factors in the top and the bottom. So I could write this as a single fraction. With multiplication, we don't need a common denominator, so I can simply multiply together the two numerators and then multiply together the two denominators. But now what I want to do is try to factor what we have as much as I can. And so in the numerator, I can factor out a 2 from the 2 and the 8. So doing that, I get 5y times 2, and what's left behind is y plus 4. In the denominator, I can factor, because 4 is 4 times 1, and 5 is 4 plus 1, this factors as y plus 4 times y plus 1. Of course, then times 20. And so now I do have some common factors. First, the things that are in parentheses, again, we have to take them all together, all at once. Y plus 4 cancels with y plus 4. And the difference here, this is multiplied by everything else, right? So there are no plus signs like there was next to the 5y. There are no plus signs separating that as a separate term. It's just a factor among all the factors up top. So those will cancel. That gives us 10y, putting the 2 and the 5 together, divided by, let me reorder this a little bit, 20 times y plus 1. And then you may notice 10 and 20 have a factor in common. 20, of course, is 10 times 2. So those cancel, and it leaves a 2 behind in the denominator. So I have y divided by 2 times y plus 1. And that's as simple as we can make it because, again, the y plus 1, I have to take that whole thing as a factor altogether. And so I can't cancel the y from the top and the bottom because y plus 1, that whole thing together, is a factor of the denominator. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.